Hello everyone. So this is the second part 2 for the screw gauge experiment. In this we are going to find out the reading for this. What is the reading? So this is the wire, you can see. So with the help of this screw gauge you are going to find the diameter of this wire and so the radius, and then you will find the volume of the given wire. So now first of all you take the reading. So first we will take the reading for the diameter. So what we are going to do, you first put this wire in this, and so that it doesn't fall down, and it should not be very twisted so that its shape will change. So it's very lightly you are going to put this inside, and now you are going to take this out. Now you are going to take this out, and now you are going to take the reading. So first thing is about the main scale reading. So when you are putting the wire outside, then that time you can see what is your main scale reading. Main scale reading is just little bit greater than 0, but it's not still 1 millimeter. I'm talking about the main scale. You can see which scale is inside. What you can see, it's just greater than 0, but it is not 1. So it is, we are taking the complete reading. So you will take this 0 millimeter only. So this is 0 millimeter. So we are going to take this in the centimeter. So you can see this is our table for this is for the table, observation table for diameter. In this first thing you are finding main scale reading, second is circular reading, and then you are adding this. So in the main scale what you are getting 0 only. So we have written in the main scale which is 0. Why we have written 0? Because 0 millimeter we have converted in centimeter, so it is 0. So we have taking the reading in centimeter, so it's 0 only. Now talking about how you can take the circular scale reading. Now I think it's again you have to see, maybe it's little bit coming out, and now again don't want to change it. This method will not disturb so much, and suppose this is now outside. Now in that case only don't move it. How it was coming out, the reading should be that only. You see what is the circular scale reading? What is circular scale reading? What the reference line is coinciding to? I think it is visible to you. It is 38, because there is 40, so just 2 before, so it is 38. So what is the reference line is coinciding to the circular scale, which is 38. So we are going to write in the circular scale reading is 38. Now it's time to find this observed diameter. So you can see it is, you are doing A plus B into least count. What is A? Our A was 0, and 38 into least count is 0.001. So we have 0.038 centimeters. So you can see this is the way we are going to take the reading. So your 0.038 centimeter is the one reading, and then we are going to take such readings from different places by putting the different place of this, by different places of this wire, and that we are going to find the mean. So when you are going to find the mean, so all the reading we are going to find the mean, and then finally you will do the zero correction. So what is the zero correction? In the zero correction you can see where you are going to find the mean of that. So observe diameter, the above one you can see. So where you are going to find the mean, let me focus. Yes, yeah. So the first line you can see mean observed diameter plus, here you can see what it is written. Here is a zero correction. So if you have positive zero error you subtract, and when you have negative zero error you add. Then you are going to find the length of the given wire. 3 reading you are going to take the length by the meter scale only, and then you are going to find the volume, because this is considering this wire is the cylindrical in shape, so we are considering its cylinder, and then you are finding length also. You find the mean length 3 times and finding the mean, and volume of the wire is pi r square L, which is the volume of a cylinder, and so we are going to find this volume.